Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then I'm Ankita and I make videos about beauty, lifestyle, hair care, skincare and also about my activities. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you all two different makeup looks which you can wear in festive seasons. ऐसा आप सभी लोग जानते ही हैं कि फेस्टिव सीजन आ गया है एंड जिस दिन ये वीडियो डल रहा है दैट माइट बी 20th of October एंड 23rd से तो दुर्गा पूजा भी शुरू हो रहा है. नवरात्रि हैज ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड एंड आगे दिवाली भी आ रहा है. सो अगर आप लोगों के पास मोर देन वन मेकअप ऑप्शन रहेगा तो हर ओकेजन पे आप डिफरेंट लग सकोगे. सो इसलिए आज इस वीडियो में मैं दो मेकअप लुक शेयर कर रही हूँ. बट this video is gonna be a little different from my regular makeup videos because in this video I'm not gonna show you my base makeup. As you all know guys, I stick to the same base makeup products all the time and it doesn't mean really to show the same products again and again. But if you are someone who is new here, आप लोगों के लिए मैं एक वीडियो लिंक कर दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जहाँ पे आप लोग जा करके मेरा बेस मेकअप भी चेक कर सकते हो. Now after this long intro, let's dive right into the video. I just got done with my base guys and now I'm moisturizing my lips using Lakme Lip Love Lip Care. Now I'm taking these two colors from this palette called as Makeup Revolution Neutrals 2 palette and I'm blending this into my crease. Here I'm using a boozy and fluffy blending brush. I just completed doing my other eye and now I'm using gel liner by Maybelline New York. I'm applying this very close to my upper lash line and you guys don't need to be very precise while doing this because we are gonna smoke it out later. Because this first look is gonna be smudged eye with bold red lips. Now I'm smudging this out with the same brush I used to apply the gel liner. This is how it will look once you are done with one stroke, but I want it more intense, that's why I'm doing or repeating the same steps to intensify the liner. Now I'm applying the liner towards the outer half of my lower lash line. This classic look is so versatile that it can be worn with any outfit and in any occasion. Here I'm doing the same thing to this eye. सो गाइज फेस्टिव सीजन के लिए आई एम प्लानिंग सो मच मोर फॉर यू. बहुत ही सारे अच्छे वीडियोस आने वाले हैं. सो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब प्लीज कर दीजिए, अब भी कर दीजिए. एज पर योर रिक्वेस्ट द नेक्स्ट वीडियो इज गोना बी ए फेस्टिव आउटफिट ऑप्शन. सो लेट मी नो इफ यू आर एक्साइटेड. Here I am lining my lower lash line just halfway through and as you can see I am extending it out just to give it a smudged kind of cat eye look. Now I'm applying the liner to my upper lash line and this is how it looks after this much process. Now I'm taking that same crease color in an angular brush and applying this to my lower lash line. Now I will do my brows using this Color Bar Stunning Brow Pencil and I'm in the shade Chestnut. Here you mark the steps. I'm just brushing my brows downwards, then I will draw a desired shape. Then I will fill in all the gaps using very light hand. And as always, blend and blend. Throughout the step, I will use more the spoolie and less the eyebrow pencil. Once I'm done with the brows, I will take this white color shade from the palette and using this to highlight all my high points like my brow bone, cheekbones and my nose. Here I'm taking the same color in my fingertip to pop up my inner corner. And now I'm using Maybelline Color Sensational Voluminous Mascara. Now this is a funniest tip, guys. Somewhere I got these falsies and I also had the glue. So after so much determination, after so much quest, I finally was able to apply it. But somehow I didn't like the look, so I decided to remove it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. After applying 2 to 3 more coats of mascara, now I'm doing my lips. I'm using the Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color and I'm in the shades Crimson Rose. Now this is a beautiful lip color, guys. Please give this a try. Here I'm using the Lakme Absolute Shimmer Brick Palette to add some colors to my cheek. I mean blush. Then I'm again checking the whitish shades from the palette and using it to highlight all my high points. Finally, I'm completing this look wearing a black bindi. You guys know I cannot live without a bindi, and this is how it turned out. Here for the second look, as you can see, my base is done and now I'm using the Lakme Colossal Liquid Liner. Here I'm doing a wing liner very close to my upper lash line, and as you can see, I'm ending this just at the center of my lid. I'm not extending this towards the inner corner, and now I will complete the second eye. And this is how your eye is gonna look once you are done with this. Now I'm mixing both the sets and taking it in an angular brush. First I'm filling the gaps we left in the inner corner, and then I'm extending this with the flow of the liner. Here I'm doing this in tapping motion, and you need to be very precise while doing this, otherwise it will spoil your eyeliner look. So guys, it's not mandatory that you need to use the same color from the same palette. You can use any mauve or brown kind of color from any palette of your choice. Once it is done, I am taking the gel liner by Maybelline New York just to tighten my upper lash line and applying halfway through my lower lash line. Then I am taking the same color in an angular brush, smudging the kajal out just to give it a smoky kind of look. To highlight my brow bones, I am using the beige shade from Lakme Illuminating Shimmer Brick Palette. I was very confused about the lip color, that's why I went with the nude color, but I don't think it complements the look, so you can use any kind of red or pink of your favorite. Because of the decreasing light, the camera could not catch the effect, guys. That's why I am adding these photos so that you can guess how it's gonna look exact. And I think it looks quite elegant. So guys, I guess that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video because I really enjoyed filming this video, and if you enjoyed, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share this with your friends, comment down below what other videos you want me to do. So I will see you all very soon in my next video, so subscribe kar dena. Until next time, stay positive, stay happy, bye.